Hey, so for the last few days I had a problem with the brand new Samsung Watch 9. It wasn't actually tracking my sleep. And what is the problem? Well, take a look. When you rotate the device, you can find all of those sensors, right? They are measuring your heart rate, blood pressure, or blood oxygen level, and so and so. But I've got this sticker over here, and it was covering some sensors here. And that was the reason why the heart rate and the sleep wasn't actually detected. Once I actually take it off, it starts working. But you can also try to clean this with, for example, microfiber cloth. Because if you have here a lot of greasy marks, or for example, dry skin, or even some kind of the hairs or sweat, then that's a chance that it is actually blocking sensors. But also, it's all about the sensors actually. So if you have here tattoos, there's a big chance that it's not actually detecting your wrist properly. So you have to switch your hands, or for example, put it over here on the place where you don't have that tattoo. You can put it lower, higher, just simply test it. And also you have to make sure that you just enable this by going for health. Now go for the settings, and here you should get this sleep. So you can enable features like the blood oxygen, snore detection, and the skin temperature. But as you can see, this is actually enabled as default. There's like no way to turn off sleep recording. It just records this automatically when the sensors are clean and when nothing is actually covering sensors.